I have one thing very important for you, which is called sampling distribution and probability distribution. Sampling distribution and probability distribution. Then we have sampling distribution and probability distribution curve. Sampling distribution and probability distribution curve. Note these two important points. One is sampling distribution and the second one is probability distribution curve. So what is sampling distribution and what is probability distribution curve? You have a population, but you cannot study this whole population. You cannot study this complete population. Then you draw sample 1 from this population, then sample 2 from this population, then sample 3, sample 4, sample 5, sample 6, up to sample 10. Which means that population is 1, but you have drawn at least 10 samples from this population. And each sample has its mean score. So you have one population, you have drawn 10 samples from this population and you have 10 mean scores of these samples. 10 samples, 10 mean scores of samples. Now this is called the sampling distribution. This phenomenon is called sampling distribution when you draw 10 or more than 10 samples from the same population and you display these sample means on paper or on graph or on software. This is called sampling distribution. And when you receive this curve, after you display all the sample means on the paper or on the graph, and you got this graph, you got this curve on which all sample means are present, and in the middle is population mean. In the middle is population mean, on left and right there are all sample means, and you obtained a curve. This curve is called probability distribution curve. This curve is called probability distribution curve, in which in the middle there is population mean and on left and on right there are sample means displayed. I hope you got this point.